We have a 15-pound halved ham. This is non-spiraled, but you can also get a spiraled one. It's time to take it out of the package and get this thing seasoned up. So we fired up the Lone Star 20x42 using a base of lump charcoal. You can use any brand you like, and I use my grill blaze or grill torch to light that up. It gets it lit up in 60 seconds. If you don't have a tool like this, be sure to check it out. I'll have a link in the description and a discount code as well. But also I'll be using some wood splits. I'm using post oak, just simple, subtle flavor, but yet so good. I think it's gonna be really allow it to the rub to shine as well as that subtle post oak flavor. So that's what we're doing. That's the plan. It should take about, I don't know, 15 minutes to get our Lone Star up to temperature, maybe 20 with the help of the grill blaze or grill torch. So we get this thing lit up. I like to put my wood splits on the side, let it warm up when that base charcoal's going, so they get instant combustion and a clean burn. And then we put one, pretty much one log on there every 45 minutes to maintain that 275 to 300 degrees. All right, team, now we are going to put this on a rack like this, make it easy to transfer on and off. Perfect. Ends up being the perfect height, and I didn't even measure. So, man, now you know you can fit a full-sized ham or half-sized ham, the shank part. And we're gonna let this ride for 3 hours. And then from there, we're gonna make our glaze, and then we'll glaze it that last 30 minutes. All right, the ham is at 130, and now it's time to prepare the glaze. And I did this a little bit before 130 internal temperature, but essentially we've got my cherry sauce here. This is gonna be a cherry glaze, and this has a lot of different ingredients in it. In addition, we're gonna kind of thin it out with some honey, or I'm sorry, maple syrup, some honey, and then we have some cherry preserve and some Dijon mustard. And I'm gonna put the exact ingredients on the screen and in the description for you to follow along, but it's essentially put all this together in a pot and let it simmer. Come to a simmer for about 5 minutes, and then bring it on low temperature for another 5 minutes. And then you're ready to glaze this ham. So let's bring you over to the smoker and start glazing. Double smoked ham, it's finished. Now it's time to let it rest for 15 minutes. We'll show you how to do that, give you our final thoughts. We finished up that smoked ham. We sliced it down the bone and cut it in different directions to get thin slices and then just good chunks. So let's do a taste test, see how we did. Oh yeah. Ooh, I taste that cherry glaze. Good little caramelization right there. Oh man, it's that back end taste. Yes, that's the flavor I'm talking about. Boom. Oh man, that tastes so good. Now that is a holiday cherry glazed ham. That's what I'm talking about. That flavor, that smokiness on that offset just took it to the next level. Cherry glaze with my sauce and a few of those other ingredients, man, just really came together, gave it that caramelization. I'm telling you, the offset gives it a whole nother level of smokiness that I really liked. Man, it'd be fun to do a head-to-head between my Kamado Joe and the offset. Let me know if that's something you want to see on a cook like this or other different meats, because now I'm wondering which one I might prefer over. I know my wife likes the Kamado Joe, the subtle flavor of smoke compared to the offset. So I'm curious to know what you think as well. Now, friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like it, be sure to subscribe, save this video, share it. It helps the channel. And let me know in the comments what stood out to you and what you enjoyed about this double smoked cherry glazed ham. And from my backyard to yours, less hate, more love. Good barbecue. Till next time.